These are mostly this year's babies. I keep old and young birds all together. Keeps it nice and easy. And they just go out through the trap, which you'll see on another video. This is just an old hen here. This is my daughter's favourite one. This is called White White, for obvious reasons. And then that one's just come into my loft. I need to find out whose it is. It's not a racing pigeon. And then these are all my racers, or some of them. The one on the right, so this one, he's flown from 520 miles over the North Sea from Lerwick. And then we've got the hen he's paired to there, then this hen here, and then that other one there, he's also flown from Scotland, not as far as 500 miles, but this year he will hopefully go to 420 miles.